I woke up this morning to an email from a colleague of mine, helioviewer.org, that said, "Never seen anything like this before. Spectacular." And I can't think of any better way to describe this event. This morning at around 7 UT Universal Time, over a period of maybe 3 hours or so, the sun produced a quite spectacular prominence eruption that had a solar flare and high energy particles associated with it, but I've just never seen material released like this before, such huge amount, and then fall back down in quite the spectacular way. You can see a wave coming, there's the flash, and all of this dark, relatively cool material compared to the corona falling back down on the sun. You see it brighten up as it hits the solar surface, and in some places you can even see it appears to get sucked back in because it's magnetic and it's being attracted into the areas of intense magnetic field called sunspots or active regions. The material is darker because it's much cooler, but you can still see the wave and all of this material come falling down. We can move up to even hotter and higher area in the corona, and then again you see this wave as the event lifts off. It's even easier to see here. The material is even darker now because it's much cooler than the corona at this point, which is about 2 million degrees. You can see it falling down, heating up as it hits the surface. So this is just really an amazing event. It's not necessarily anything spectacular as far as space weather, but it's just really beautiful. And at the very end of these images from Alaska, we can see the very beginnings of the CME as it leaves the sun. Very bright, complicated structure.